adorable gnome cupcakes. And like most things I make at home for the holiday season, we're starting with a box of cake mix. Like fancy pastry chef by day. All right, this is a box of red velvet cake mix. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder just to doctor it. So this is the red velvet cake batter, making it per the instructions, just adding a little bit of the cocoa powder to boost that chocolate flavor of the red velvet. But any cake mix, a little extra vanilla, a little extra salt, a little lemon zest, just, be a cake doctor. So we have our cupcake tin lined. We'll scoop our batter in, and then because it's the holidays, we have some crushed candy canes. We'll just put that right on top of the batter. They're gonna bake, they're gonna get that little peppermint flavor, they're gonna be little crunchy sugar bits in there. And then, so we're starting with a can of frosting.
Oh, shut up.
These are good shortcuts.
We're gonna add 1 block of cream cheese at room temperature.
I love this.
Honestly,
I love cream cheese.
You know I love a KitchenAid, but I'm just doing this by hand, all right? Our frosting, our cream cheese, and now we'll add our powdered sugar. It's a box of powdered sugar.
And then just keep incorporating.
Yeah, make it smooth. If you want to add a little bit of like orange extract or lemon extract or a little bit of vanilla in here just to boost that flavor, again, we're doctoring it. A little bit of salt helps too. So this is smooth, this is pipeable, you can shape it. It's such a great tip. And like, how quickly did that come together?
And it's so stable. It's like instantly ready.
Well, that's the problem with frosting out of the can, is it's too loose.
Right.
You can't like frost a cake with it and have it hold up. So we have our baked cupcakes, bake them per the box's instructions. Now let's get Gnome, all right?
I can't wait.
Sanding sugar, sparkling sanding sugar. You can use gold, you can use red. For our gnome hat, we have a sugar cookie cone. And we're just going to take a little bit of our frosting.
Oh my God. That's so
spread it. A little even coating here. And then give it a roll in your sanding sugar.
Oh, shush. Shush, shush, shush.
Arts and crafts. Can you believe that, like, I made a career out of sugary arts and crafts?
It's so adorable. The little
amazing.
gnome hat.
This is why you're called the Sprinkle Master.
Sprinkle Master, Sugar Master. So we'll pipe the hair first and just go around kind of like a clown, like at Friendly's growing up, those clown Sundays.
Oh yeah, I remember Friendly's.
Right? And then we're gonna pipe the beard, and we want the beard to go all the way down to the ground. So we're just gonna do a zigzag. All right, this is like, I sympathize with girls in ballroom dance because I feel like I'm doing this backwards in heels, but we're facing to the camera.
So you and Ginger Rogers.
Okay,
exactly.
We got the beard,
so
we got the hair.
All right.
Okay.
Now we can put our hat on. And then for the nose, we have strawberry starbursts. And you can just mold this into a little ball and use that as the nose and pop that right on.
Oh, how cute.
All right. And we can't forget their little feet. So we have our little peanut M&Ms and just pop those right on. You have your little feet.
Zac, you're a holiday miracle. Thank you, my friend.